Hey guys, in my previous tutorial, I showed you several Midjourney Portrait Prompts. Now, even though that tutorial got #1 spot on Google for YouTube videos, looking at Midjourney Portrait Prompt on Reddit, I still thought that we could make much better portraits.
But how do you do this?
Well, in this Midjourney tutorial, I'm going to show you a prompt capable of generating portraits as if they were created by a professional photographer. Okay guys, here's the Midjourney high detail photorealistic portrait prompt. Real life, female, portrait, photography. Casual photo to make it look more natural. Photorealism. Light is always important, so I'm gonna add dreamlike lighting. Magical photography, and just an idea. Dramatic lighting, ultra detail, personal portrait, composition. Now here for the environment, I'm going to add with cornfield. You can use any background theme, and I'm also going to add sunlight in hair. Now I'm going to add 85mm. In professional photography, the 85mm lens provides a shallow depth of field, which is used to create a visually striking effect by isolating the subject, blurring the background, and drawing the viewer's attention to the subject, creating a sense of depth and dimension in the photograph. Okay, back to the prompt. Now, I'm also going to add f1.2. Now, in photography, this is the aperture controls for the amount of light that enters the camera. So a lens with a focal length of 85mm and aperture f1.2 would be considered a fast lens with a shallow depth of field and good performance in low light. Now, as far as Midjourney goes, I'm going to use --AR for aspect ratio 9:16 --test P. It's the command that will put your Midjourney portrait prompt into photorealistic mode.